Lovely. Okay, dear friends, so I know I said that I'm not buying clothes, but
I'm a fat liar.
So yeah, I randomly get these urges to go thrifting, and this was one of those times. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got because, you know, why not? So I went to a bunch of different thrift stores, and this is like a collection of everything I got, and some of these things I plan on thrift flipping. So if you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up and let me know. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, first thing, I'm just picking from a pile. This is like pretty much mixed together. I have no clue where anything's from, but we're gonna deal with it. First thing I got, this shirt is from Banana Republic, which is like an old lady store that's quality, I guess. It's just pink, and okay, I went through this phase, I was like,
I hate pink. I'm not a girly girl.
and then I went through this other phase where I was just like,
pink and pastels. I'm like, so cute.
and then now I'm just kind of like, meh. Like, I realized I have a lot of pink, but I also don't have, okay, I just talked about pink for way too long, but basically it's just this pink long sleeve. It fits really well, and I really like it, and it's good quality, but yeah, and I'm pretty sure it was half off, so I think it was like $2, so I was like, why not? Next off, I got these pants. Because we all know I'm trying to mix things up and not wear the same freaking pair of jeans and Lulu lines every single day. So I got these, and they're from Abercrombie, and they fit me really well, and I think they were also like $5. They have a bunch of cool pockets. Basically they're camo pants. Not, oh my god, what did I do? They're like army pants, soft material. Not like soft, but they're not like that rigid, stiff material. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm here for these. Really like them. Hopefully I don't look like freaking Kim Possible when I wear them, but you know, it's fine. Then I got this, and this is a Polo Ralph Lauren crew neck. We all know I don't need crew necks. We also know I went through this phase where I was like, oh my god, Polo, trying to be like in with the styles, and then I also went through this phase where I was like, ew, no more Polo, no more Adidas, I'm done with being a hype beast. And then now I'm kind of like, I'll wear it if I like it, you know? I really like the combo of navy and red. I also got this top. I really like this. It's like a button down. I've been loving button down thingies. I just think they look so good when they're like tucked into mom jeans. So good. I already can imagine myself working this. It's like a ribbed sweater. It's from the brand J. Jill. Sounds like an expensive mom brand. Okay. I also got this crew neck, and I honestly did not need this on so many levels, but I got it anyway. It fit really well. I just like you know when the bottom is scrunched in and then it like tucks under?
I love that.
So I was kind of like, I'm weak. Plus it gave me vintagey vibes. It's really worn in and cozy. It also has Mickey Mouse, which I don't really care for Mickey Mouse. Don't hate me, but he kind of creeps me out. So I got this, which is a little bit ugly, but it's also really cute. So yeah, I don't really know how to explain it. It's cute. It's like this really cool print. It kind of reminds me of like a dad who like stays in his cabin and goes fishing or something. Little style. But I also like that the sleeves, it has like a little cuff there. I think it really ties in the whole look, so. I got a Mariners jersey. We all know, like, I'm a baseball lover. I love the Mariners. Just kidding. I know nothing about baseball. I honestly, I really like Mariners, like, apparel and stuff, so yeah. But this one fit me really well, and it was $5 and good quality, so I was like, yeah, yeet, I'm going for it. Next thing, this shirt. This was in like the Tupperware section, and I was like walking to the register and I saw it like sitting there, and I was like, and then I just picked it up and went for it. It was $2. I love this color. I don't know what color this is. It's like a faded green kind of. Looks cool. It's oversized. Probably just gonna wear this with like leggings and like sneakers. That's literally all of my outfits. I don't know what I'm saying. It's not the same. I can't flip my hair. I used to flip my hair so much, and now I'm like trying to flip it, but I can't. Next off, I got these. They were like $3, and they fit me really well, and they're still in good condition, but they're just some Nike dry fit like thermal sweats, and they're kind of like really ugly, you know what I'm saying? but I also kind of really like them. They're so comfy. So these are like pajamas. I'm also probably gonna wear them out more than I should, but. And then, oh my god, I don't know why I said that. I have just a few more things. I got this, which is honestly one of my favorite purchases. It's this belt. It was like $2, but like literally belts are so expensive. Like if you go to Target, they're like freaking $20, and I'm sick of having to poke my own holes into belts because no belts fit me. And then I got this jacket. This one was a bit of a risky purchase, not because it was like expensive, it was actually a really good deal, but just because it's really big and it's gonna take up a lot of closet space, and I just cleaned out my closet. I don't want it to be like stuffed, you know, but I really like this. It's plaid inside, which I think gives it a really cool look. This was in like the boys section. I love looking in the boys section because I have the body of a 12-year-old boy. Then the last bag. So I got this purple t-shirt, the brand Wild Fable. Oh, and it's brand new. That's cool. And it was like $1. So that's also cool. I'm just really reaching out of my comfort zone with this one, guys. The last thing is a hoodie, and it's a college hoodie, and yeah, it is. This is a UCI hoodie, and I just really like it, okay? I just really like it. It fits well, and it's embroidered. It's so nice, and I'm just really excited about it. It's also Champion, so like it's a comfort item, okay? Like, how can you pass that up? Okay, you can pass it up, but I can't because I have problems. Okay, guys, so that was my thrift haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm done buying clothes. We got some issues over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, I don't know. Comment whatever. Just say hi. I'll say hi back. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, peace, love, hugs. Bye!